16 is expected to be unveiled in late September, right after Qualcomm announces the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 SoC that will be powering it. Ahead of it, there's been a CAD-based render leaked out for this device, showing its design. As you can see, it's a refinement of the existing Xiaomi 15's design with a squircle camera island placed at the top left on the rear. It's quite interesting. It has a two-tone design, which you can get a better idea by looking at the render below created from the sketch. Overall, you can see there is nothing out of the ordinary for this. It just seems like a natural progression of the Xiaomi's design language for its smallest flagship. According to latest rumors, the Xiaomi 16 will still be getting a periscope telephoto camera and the screen size will be between 6.32 and 6.36 inches. The Xiaomi 16 is going to have an enormous 6800 milliampere battery with support for 100-watt wired charging. It is also claimed to have the best screen for the device for its size.